Here we are in Austin. I gave them a mock example. I was a bride's mother ordering flowers for her daughter's wedding. And I said, I'm from Arizona. I want sort of a desert, rustic vibe. I gave them flowers and said, create a small sample bouquet to mimic as a muse for the wedding, and then a nice centerpiece. And this is what she did. How long have you been designing flowers?
Just a week.
Look at her, gloating in front of us. It's magnificent. You got to see this in real life. It's a piece of art. Bravo. I don't know what else to tell you. It's just great. Here's another one. Wonderful. Deserty, vibey, Arizona-y. Flower School 101. Join us in class. You can do this in 5 days?
5 days.
Congratulations.